Azahra Sika Olisa. You can call me Zahra. I am fourth grade student of SIT Bina Insan Mulia. Today, I want to tell you a story about elephant and the fox. There were a fox and elephant in a forest. The two live very intimately so much, so that one cannot leave the other. Across the river was a sugarcane field. One day, the elephant wanted to eat sugarcane. Elephant said this to the fox. Today, I want to eat sugarcane. To which the fox replied, yes, I also want to eat sugarcane. But how do we cross the river? I can't swim, said the fox. Elephant said, I will carry you on my back. The elephant carried the fox on his back and crossed the river. Together, they went to the sugarcane field. The fox ate quickly and got full. But elephant's stomach didn't get full. The full-bellied fox was mesmerized and laughed loudly with joy. Ha ha ha! I was full. Don't laugh loudly. If anyone hears, they will come and beat both of us, said elephant. But the fox didn't listen to the elephant. Hearing the fox laugh, the owner of the farm came. The fox ran fast. The elephant could not follow. So the owner of the farm hit the elephant hard. But fortunately, after that, the elephant who crossed the field and met on the bank of the river. The elephant said this to the fox. Why did you do this? Then the fox replied, I'm sorry, I will never do that again. Finally, the elephant forgave it and brought safely to the shore. From that day on, the fox continued to live as good friend with the elephant. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yang mana semuanya? Oke, itu tadi penampilan dari Kak Zahra Olisa.